Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
8AA.
Okay.
So, and you're going to think this is crazy, but I'm trying to clean up somebody's mess and the job is someplace else. So I don't quite know. I guess my question is like the first one that comes up says 24-inch clear anodized aluminum perimeter seal with solid neoprene, and then it gives you size and height and all that kind of stuff. Now, when it says that, like if I have a 30, if I buy one that says 30, it's 36 inches, can I cut it down to 24 if the door is 24?
Sure.
Okay, so let me just, I'm looking at the doors that were on here. So I got a door with frame SCWD 3070. It's a 3 foot 0 by 7 foot 0 by 1 3/4, and it says knockdown metal frame. So does that mean that I need is that for a, how do I know what door that is? Is that a 36-inch door?
Yeah, so when someone says 3070, they're saying 3070. You're going to want to order one piece at 36-inch.
Right.
And two pieces at 84-inch.
Okay, I'm writing. Give me a second. Let me write this down. So I want one piece at, what was that again?
36-inch.
36-inch, and then one piece at, or two pieces, right? Two pieces
at 84.
At 84 inches. Okay. Now, all right. So I have another door. Well, it just says 36. So your door seal bottom, it says 0365 AA 36-inch service mount automatic door. So that's a 36-inch door, so it's basically the same thing, right? One at 36, two at 84, right?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Oh.
So now you're dealing with like a door sweep. That just happens to be a fancy door sweep. You would only order a single piece, the width of the door. However, you would really want to order at the net size the job calls for, so you're not out there with a hacksaw.
Okay. All right, so if it's a 36-inch, I get a 36-inch.
If you order a 36-inch, that's what we'll send you, but I highly doubt you're going to need it to be 36 for a 36-inch door.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. So
okay.
I'm just looking at what was written down here from before by the other company that kind of was goofing with this thing. So it's a pig in a poke. That's all I can say.
Yeah, it's my legal middle name.
Okay. All right. So I got it now. So I don't understand. So he ordered, and he can help me here. It says door seal jam. He says 0328 AA perimeter door seal neoprene clear, and he says he ordered 20 feet.
No.
Is that? Does that mean that he just ordered the replacement rubber or the replacement neoprene?
That's theory one. The other theory is I need 20 feet and make it 4 or 5 foot lengths, or define the lengths. You can't order 20 feet. Well, you can't order a 20-foot single section of it, number one. Number two, you can't roll it. So if someone, if they put AA in the part number, if I was processing that order, I would say, whoa, what do you mean? Now, if you told me 328 underscore and didn't give me the finish, now I'm thinking you want the replacement insert only, because you're like, give me 20 feet of it.
Right.
Because you can roll that.
Right. And, I mean, a few of the doors are going to get replaced. There's already doors on there, but a couple of the doors are just being replaced with solid core doors instead of the hollow fill or the hollow doors. So then I'm like, well, then does that mean he's just replacing the neoprene, the neoprene seal? I mean,
if you already have the aluminum holders there.
Right. And so is there some place where they actually just sell just the neoprene?
Yeah, we can
do you
sell
guys
you the whole thing, we can sell you the whole thing, or just the insert only.
Just the insert only? Okay, so what would I put in for the insert only?
Oh, it's probably not in our site. I doubt that that's in there. And probably what Zero would want you to do would be to say, replacement neoprene only for 328, and then give the length and express, so and so foot roll is what I would call it.
Okay. I don't know what to do. I mean, let's see. It's not like it's all that well. So you get into some of these other ones, it's a little more expensive. I was just looking. I mean, let's see.
Yeah, no, that stuff's going to be expensive. I think it's going to be probably about $6 a foot, would be my guess for replacement neoprene only. That's a guess, but that's what I would probably expect it to be.
Well, that's what they put down. They put down 20 feet at $4.73. And
a foot?
So that's
it
what
could be. I'm guessing
per
at $6.
Foot. Right. No, I guess what I'm just trying to ascertain is that so the job scope went from one to more, and then I was like, well, is that to mean they already have the metal pieces there, and I just need to replace the rubber?
So based on $4.75 a foot, there ain't no way that it's the whole thing.
That's what I'm thinking.
Because that stuff is $9 a foot, the whole thing.
Okay. All right. So like when I look out here on this one here, it says set. So you're selling them by the set. So it's 36 by, and then two pieces of 84, 1 inch wide, 2 by 19, clear anodized solid neoprene. So I mean, you're selling the whole set, like for a whole door, not by the
you can buy it
per
either
piece,
way,
right?
straight lengths or a set.
Okay. Well, I mean, if I got a 36-inch door, I got to buy, 36 by 7 door. I got to buy the whole piece anyway. What I'm weighing out in my mind is, do I buy the whole thing, and that way, if there's nothing there, then I'm good. And if I, you know what I'm saying? If I buy the whole thing and they're there, well, then I've got the piece, I've got the rubber seals to go in it anyway.
If you're doing one opening, that's probably not a bad idea. But at $155 for a kit of 328 AA for a 3070, if you're doing more than one, I probably might, I might check that one out. It's a lot of aluminum to throw away.
Yeah, it's like 4.
Yeah,
but keep in mind, my job is a long way away. I mean, we got to send it there. It's not like I can mail stuff there. I got. You know what I'm saying? I got to be able to go on the site, and it's not like I can just order them and Federal Express will drop them off there the next day. There's no way that's going to happen.
Yeah, certain logic to showing up thoroughly prepared for worst case scenarios.
Well, that's kind of how I figured, but I need to try and think this through a little bit. I mean, and I didn't even order the doors or nothing. I don't even know what the hell is out on site. We never even went out there to do the site survey or anything like that. We're just taking it off good faith that what he ordered is actually out there, and then the customer is like saying, okay, in addition to what he already ordered and is already out there on site, I want to order the following things. And I was like, okay. And then they didn't even put the door sweeps on. I mean, they put door sweeps on, but they didn't put it on like those ones like you were talking about. So they were like, oh, we need some door sweeps. But they didn't say exactly. Let's see. Okay, ADA compliant, locks, automatic door opener. Well, it doesn't even say door sweeps. Oh, yeah, it says door seals and drop-down sweeps for bathroom. So I don't know. So it's like, what about door sweeps? Do you guys sell door sweeps too?
Sure.
Okay. Where do I go to look at those? I mean, what?
Well, if you want a typical, product by Zero that's neoprene, I would search for. Okay. Naturally, I don't remember their door sweep part number now. 39A. Oh, okay. The part number I would enter in the search box top center would be 39A as in alpha.
Right.
Then when that page comes up, go to page 5.
Okay. Page 5. All right. All right. Great. Thanks. What I got to do here is decide if it's worth it to pay the extra $500 or so to make sure that I got exactly what I need when I get on site. Because the roll is cheap. I mean, the roll is pretty cheap. I could just order that and throw it in there. And then with whatever's left over out of these, I could always send back and put into stock for maybe another project or something like that. But you're saying, better.
It's not 500. It's more like 300 would be. Let's just say it's $9 a foot, and let's say that the insert's half of that. So
right.
Yeah, it's money, but if you had to leave the job, it's going to cost you more than 300.
And believe me, it's halfway around the world, so the shipping alone would choke me out. So
I see.
So we're good. So I'll just order it. That'll be good. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I got to go get all the prices off your page and then put it on my procurement page, and then my procurement specialist then orders it. So great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for calling. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.